Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be working on strengthening our knees. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me to strengthen your knees. So let's get started. First thing first, align yourself with your breath. Take 3 rounds of long deep breath. As I say, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale, last breath here. Now place your hands above your knees and gently open your eyes. And now sit up comfortably and spread your right feet away and try to warm up your shin bone to have a better support for your knees. And now try to rotate your hips. First we'll do with the right side of the hip. And try to do it as mindfully as possible. Do the same from the left side. First, massage to your calf muscle. Rotate the left hip with control. Do 3 to 5 rounds and then see if possible, try to sit into a malasana. If you find it hard, you can sit over a pillow or use yoga blocks. And from here, try to lift up your body into half standing position while holding the knees from the back of the knees. Give a nice firm support to your knees and try to sit halfway and then stand. Do it a couple of times to warm up and create some range of motion to your knees with the support. With this, your ankle feels strong too. Now use a wall or any support to stand tall. Stand with your ease. And if you feel comfortable enough, release the support from the wall and stand same way comfortably. And try to lift up your heels and keep hands over your hips for a better support. Do it a couple of times. And now, this time, raise your heels little higher than the last time and try not to lock your knees while doing so. Now, stretch your hamstrings nicely with a wall support. You can keep a hand and try to stretch the entire hamstring with ease. Do one leg at a time. Having a front heel down and the front foot up makes it really nice to have a better stretch. And then stand up tall, legs hip width apart or a little wider. And from here, lift your hand up, fold forward, bend your knees and lift your heel. And from here, hand over the heart center, twist to your right, keep your knees bended and in ease. Breathe here, back to center. Inhale, hand goes up. Exhale, halfway. Now twist to the left. Hold and breathe over here. Back to heart center and stand up straight. From here, again use the wall for the support. Place both the palms and lift the right knee and try to take it to the right side of your body. This is an incredible strengthening and stretching for your hips, hamstrings, and especially for your knees. This will give you a really nice stability and strength. You can leave the wall support or continue to have a support for yourself. Whatever makes you more comfortable, do that. Keep breathing and put your leg down. Now from here, put your legs 4 to 5 feet apart or little wider than your hip distance and get into a goddess's pose. Remember to be gentle with your knees over here, and with inhale you take your hand up, go a little down in the goddess's pose and breathe. You can add some right and left twist. Hold the goddess's pose for really long and back to center. Now reduce the stance bit, relax for some time. And now fold the right foot to your left calf muscle in eagle pose and have a control with the wall support. We'll do the same from the opposite side. This time left leg on crossover with the right. Continue using wall for the support. This is an extremely great strengthening exercise for your knees. And if you feel comfortable at this moment, like you have been using for the legs, we can continue to do with the arms as well. These are called eagle arms. Or you can just keep your hands above your head, interlocked, or just on the wall. Choose your variation. Do the same again from the left side. Breathe over here and relax. Now spread your legs again 4 to 5 feet. Take the right foot 90 degree. Get into a lunge position. We will be practicing warrior variation over here. First, warming up the knees and the hips, and take your hand up above your head or at the heart center. Change your side to the left. Do the same for the warrior preparation. Do 2 to 3 rounds. And once you feel ready, inhale and lift up your hands. Have a support over here or at the heart center and back to center. Release your hands and bring it down. Relax. From here, we will directly get into wall against the pose where we will lie down and keep our legs next to the wall. Keep the hips as close to wall possible and the upper body on the floor. Fold your right knee, then the left one. And now try to find the ease with the Baddha Konasana practice with the wall support. Breathe and keep practicing. Now put your legs up in 90 degree, hands straight or at the heart center, and let your body feel the relaxation and let the stress come out of your body. Relax over here and let the blood flow happen very nicely throughout your body while keeping the legs against the gravity. And once you feel relaxed enough, come back and sit up straight. Take a moment to breathe. Align yourself with your breath again. And say thank you for choosing to practice today and do something nice for your body. I hope this really quick flow helps you to feel strong and make you pain-free from your knees or legs. And you continue practicing this flow on your daily practice. If you have liked anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.